to Subtraction Media tutorials. In our previous lesson, we looked at the general rules governing sets, and we looked at the rule governing multiplication of sets. In today's lesson, we are going to look at addition and subtraction of sets. For that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like my channel, don't forget to follow my channel. So alright, so we move straight. So for example, before then, let's take note that under the rules governing addition of and subtraction of sets, if you are given set A plus set B, for example, you should note that this is not equal to set A plus set B. The same way, if you are given an example like set A minus set B, this is not equal to set A minus set B. Let's take note of these and pay very careful attention to it so that we don't make a mistake. Alright, so let's look at some examples. Now, if you are given an example like set 243 or square root of 243 plus square root of 12, this is expected to be equal to square root of 81 times 3 plus the square root of 4 times 3. Looking at this, realize that we have simplified the number 243 and then the number 12 under the square roots. So this is also expected to give us, or the same as 9 square root of 9 to the power 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2 to the power 2 times square root of 3. Alright, so going further, realize that, like we said earlier on, anytime you have a square root and an exponent of 2, the square root and then the exponent will cancel out, leaving the figure under the square root standing all alone. So this will lead us to 9 times square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of 3. This will further give us 9 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. And realize that since you have the square roots of both sides being the same, you add the coefficient of the square root. This will give us 9 plus 2 root 3, which is equal to 11 root 3. That is our final answer. Another example, if you are given square root of 50 minus square root of 8. So what is? Alright, so this is also expected to give us 25 times the square root of 25 times 2 minus square root of 4 times 2. Alright, so this will lead us to, and this is the same as square root of 5 to the power 2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 2 to the power 2 times the square root of 2, based on the rule governing multiplication of sets. Alright, so as usual, whenever there is a square root and an exponent and an exponent, the exponent and then the square root will cancel out, leaving the figure standing all alone. So we are going to have 5 times square root of 2 minus 2 times square root of 2. And then this is going to give us 5 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Since the roots of both sides are the same, we add the coefficients of these sets, and in this case we are subtracting. So this is going to give us 5 minus 2 root 2, which is equal to 3 root 2. Thank you for watching. Next lesson, we are going to look at division of sets. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson.